What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel again. So I'm out here at my house. Actually, I'm going to be packing up and heading out this weekend, moving up to North Wilkesboro. If you're from North Carolina, you know where that's at. From Charlotte. I've got promoted at work, so I'm going up there for training, which is awesome. But if you guys watched my last video about the rear trunk liner, if you haven't, go check it out. But if you did, you know that this week we're going to be doing something carbon fiber. It's going to be a very unique piece, and I have yet to see this on another F30. So I thought it would be, of course, justice that I need to bring this to y'all's attention. So today we're going to be going over that real nice and quick because it's hot as hell out here. But today we're going to be going over the rear air vent carbon fiber accent cover. All right, let's do it. Alright guys, so we are back here in the back of the car. I am showing you guys the rear air vent cover. Honestly, there's not really a whole lot I'm going to be able to say about this. It's pretty simple. As you can see, it really is just a air vent cover. I had a lot of people ask if this was a wrap who followed me on Instagram. It is not. So this literally is just a piece that goes over. It is fully solid and attached. It uses 3M adhesive. It does actually come with it, which is kind of nice. Other than that, things I can point out, it is actually a very high gloss. This stuff is really nice. It's really clean, and surprisingly, it has a great color. It really does look really good with the black interior especially. For me, it really kind of dressed up this back seat. I feel like the back seat gets neglected with a lot of upgrades. You know, I've got a few accent colors in the front, like this, of course, stripes up here, the red start button, you know, stuff like that. But this was kind of a nice touch for the rear. It really just sticks on, so it just, of course, lays on top of the air vent. Another question I got was with the air vent, it doesn't have the heated seats. I believe they go down here if you do actually have that option. I have heated seats in the front, just not the rear, but that's another thing to point out. So I haven't been able to find one that does actually have the cutouts for the heated seats. Other than that, though, if you don't have heated seats, I highly suggest this. You're looking at under, I want to say I definitely paid less than $50, but I am going to add the link in the description below so that you guys can check it out. But it's extremely inexpensive. You definitely want to look at it, especially if you're looking for some easy carbon fiber upgrades that you can add. This is definitely one of those. Seriously, it's super easy. And honestly, guys, I mentioned in my last video, it takes about 10 minutes if you know what you're doing. Seriously, it literally is just a peel on and stick. And this isn't permanent. You guys can always take this off later. I added this on here. It maybe took me 5 minutes, and that was really just because I'm too dumb to get the damn tape off and the little stickers you peel off of the 3M tape. It was a pain in the ass. Show you guys what it looks like. I've got the seats all scooted back and everything now. So you kind of see, I mean, it really just tucks in there and just makes it look just so clean, I think, you know, in my opinion. But I think it's a great upgrade, so definitely something to check out. But let's peep the beast up here in the front. It's another one of my vehicles, vehicles I've played with and customized a little bit. But also got the daily SUV out here for the boring drives. Of course, my buddy's E46, and then of course we've got a 5 Series in here too. It's a big BMW family. Now, one thing I wanted to actually point out. So a lot of people have talked about this god-awful wheel gap. I get it. I want to lower it too, guys. If you could just see. I know it doesn't look like much, guys, but this is a very steep driveway. I am just hurt that it is so hard to get up here because I literally cannot lower the car, unfortunately. I'm stuck until I move, which will hopefully be soon. And then I can finally lower it and get that over with because I'm very tired of this ride height. So yes, I cannot lower the car, unfortunately. I did actually look at the video. It does not do it justice, guys. literally with the M Sport bumper on there. It is all I can do to even get in the driveway. I think I have about that much clearance with just the M Sport bumper. So I know the video doesn't make it look that bad, but it is really, really steep. But yes, so we are kind of a BMW family here. We do have a lot of BMWs. We have, of course, 5 Series behind me, my 3 Series, and then, of course, my brother's E46. But this actually isn't my first BMW. I don't know if I mentioned that in my introduction video. I did also have an E36. That was my first car. And I also did actually have an E39. That was my second car. All right, guys, so that does pretty much wrap up today's video. I went over my house, my garage, everything, all the vehicles I've got. And of course, we went and looked at the rear air vent carbon fiber accent cover. I think it is really cool. Like I said, guys, the link is going to be in the description if you guys want to check it out. A couple things I want you guys to do. Go ahead and hit that like button if you guys like this video. Next, I want you guys to smash the subscribe button as well as click that bell notification. I want you guys to be notified when I throw some more stuff up here. And throw some comments down below. Let me know what you guys think. I haven't yet seen this part on another F30. I thought it was a really cool accent. I think it goes great with the interior, especially if you have the carbon fiber trim. I will be doing that in the near future. Other than that, guys, I'm going to go ahead and end this video here. I'm going to get some packing done for this move on Sunday. Other than that, guys, I am Unworthy F30. Follow me on Instagram. I have daily posts on there. Subscribe, comment, like, and just let me know your thoughts on this. Other than that, guys, I'm out of here. I will see you guys later.
Raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Cooking up, open the park pot.